I wanted to share my updated hair wash routine because honestly, so many hair routines online are just not realistic for me right now. I do not have the energy for the routines that are like every Sunday I do this set of steps, and then every Tuesday I do this other set of steps, and then every third Friday I add in this product. I know if it's too complicated, I am just not going to stick with it. I have also simplified my routine even more from my last video. A lot of these products are still the same because they genuinely work for me, but I have cut out some products and steps in my routine and replaced them with some others that I've really been loving. So this routine is pretty simple and low maintenance, but my hair has felt shinier and softer and just more healthy overall since simplifying everything. So let's get into it. For context, my hair is fine, but I have a lot of it. So this is all of my hair to the front. It never used to be this thick at the bottom. This is what I'm most proud of with my hair routine. I used to have 3 little straggly strands down here, but now my hair is actually healthy all throughout. I've gotten highlights for years and years and years, probably since middle school, so I do use bleach on my hair. This is not like natural, virgin, healthy hair. I used to have a lot of bleach damage that this routine has kind of helped me overcome. I also use hot tools on my hair probably like 2 to 3 times a week, and I wash it 3 times a week. So I have been using the L'Oreal Everpure Glossing Shampoo and Conditioner. I always double cleanse. So I will put this in my hair, lather it up, rinse it out completely, and then repeat that process to get a really good clean. I like this stuff because it makes my hair feel and look shiny and smooth, but it does not weigh it down at all. It lathers up so nicely. And I said this in my last hair video, but I have tried so many professional high-end shampoo and conditioners. I used to exclusively use high-end hair products, and this works better for my hair. It just does. I also really like, for my specific hair type, the volume version of this and then the moisture version of this. So I think if you are at the drugstore and you just don't really know what shampoo and conditioner line to try out, this seems to be a pretty safe one. I've liked all of the versions of this that I've tried. I also really like the conditioner in this line. My hair just feels so soft. I feel like it speaks for itself. Like, it didn't used to look like this, and drugstore products have been helping it so much. And then about once a week, or just whenever I feel like my hair is starting to feel weighed down or like I have a lot of product buildup in there, I'll use a clarifying shampoo. This one is the Kristin S Deep Clean Clarifying Shampoo. I loved this stuff. I used this years ago, and then I switched to all the viral high-end clarifying shampoos that people recommend, like the Way one, the K18, and I never really loved any of them. Then I tried the Pantene Volume Shampoo. I don't think it's technically marketed as a clarifying shampoo, but I used it like one. That one was super viral. I liked that one, but I went back to this one, and I like this better if you have fine hair that gets oily pretty quickly. Whenever I use this, I will shampoo with this first to get rid of all of the product and buildup, and then I will go in with my L'Oreal shampoo for that second cleanse. If my hair is feeling dry that day, I'll go in with the Dove 10-in-1 Serum Mask. This is the intensive repair version. They have a couple of versions of this. This one's my favorite, and this has a very serum-like consistency, so it does not make your hair feel weighed down at all. I'll apply this from like my ears down, leave it in while I'm doing the rest of my shower, and then rinse it out. And I probably end up using this like every other wash, just depending on how dry my hair is feeling. After I get out of the shower, I've been using the Eva NYC Stay Hydrated Leave-In Conditioner. This actually replaced my old leave-in conditioner and my blow-dry cream because I realized I just didn't need both in my routine. And I think that simplifying my routine has allowed me to be way more consistent with everything. The texture of this is right in between the last 2 leave-in conditioner sprays that I used. My kids are having the best time right now. They are both supposed to be napping, but my toddler got up out of her room and she went to the baby's room, and now they're laughing together. So I think I'm just gonna let them be as long as they're happy. So I was using the L'Oreal 21-in-1 leave-in conditioner spray. And before that, I used the gold Pantene leave-in conditioner. The L'Oreal was the thickest of the 3, and the Pantene was the most lightweight of the 3. That one was too lightweight for me. So this one sits right in the middle. And this, I feel like, just really soaks into my hair and makes it feel really moisturized and healthy. It is my favorite leave-in conditioner so far that I have tried, including all of the high-end versions that I've tried. And this was very much a spur of the moment pick when I was at Target. I actually went to repurchase the L'Oreal one and saw this and just was drawn to it for some reason. I don't know. It was fate. It was meant to be. So I love this one if you haven't tried it. It's so hot in here. I have a fan going and I'm still dying. Should probably ditch this sweatshirt. This is literally my own fault. Okay, a couple times a month I will use the K18 after shampooing. This is called the leave-in molecular repair hair mask. It's an extremely expensive, tiny little product. I've been using this for years, so I'm in the maintenance stage of this, so I only use this a couple of times a month now. This will probably forever stay in my routine. This is the one product that I think really saved my hair from all the bleach damage I had. If you have a lot of damage from bleach and your hair just feels really like dry and scraggly at the ends, I would try this product if you have not yet, because it really does make a difference. It probably took me, gosh, I don't even know, a few months maybe of using it consistently to notice a difference, but my hair has been on the up and up since I started using this. Okay, so then at night, this is my little hair cocktail ritual. I mix the K18 8-Hour Magic Night Serum with whatever hair oil I'm using at the moment. My favorite hair oil, I've said this a million times, is the Uemura Essence Absolue. That one is perfect for my hair. I love it so much. This one is the Oribe Gold Lust Nourishing Hair Oil. I will repurchase the Uemura one once I run out of the hair oils that I already have, but I'm trying to be better about using up what I have before I buy something new, so I'm using this one right now. It's also very good, but it's not quite as lightweight and absorbent as the Uemura. So I take about 2 pumps of this night serum and then 1 pump of this oil, and I just put it in my ends every night before I go to bed. And that keeps my hair feeling soft and silky so that when I wake up, I don't really have to do too much with my hair and I don't really have to restyle it as much as I used to. This routine has helped me so much because before, when my hair was very bleach damaged, it looked so straw-like and was just so dry and unruly at the ends. So I felt like in the mornings I would have to restyle it with heat every day in order for it to just look okay enough to go out in public. And now, like when I wake up tomorrow, this is what my hair is still gonna look like. It's still going to look soft and manageable. I do sleep with it in like a loose braid with a hair bonnet, so that has helped as well. But this routine just has made all the difference. I cannot rave about it enough. So that is pretty much it. Nothing super complicated, just products that I love and realistically use consistently. This is a routine that I can actually stick with long term, and sticking with a routine consistently over time is what's going to make the biggest difference for you. If you guys have a similar hair type to mine and you have any holy grail products that I haven't mentioned, please let me know, and I really hope this helps.